Good morning, students. So today we'll start from the first example of your chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. So let us see the first example for the AP. So AP stands for arithmetic progression. So for the AP, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and so on. Write the first term A and the common difference D. So in this question, the series is already in AP. This series is already in AP. It means in this series the common difference is same. It means the numerical value of common difference should be same. So we have to find here first term and the common difference D. So first term is, it is very clear. In this series the first term is which one? The first term is 3 by 2. So right here first term A is 3 by 2. This is the first term. Now you have to find the common difference. So how you will find the common difference? The common difference, it is clear from the word. Difference means you have to subtract this first term from the second term. Alright, you will get the common difference. So write here D. So D is what? D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is the second term, A1 is the first term. So what is A2 here? A2 is 1 by 2. And A1 is 3 by 2. So now taking LCM is here 2. So write the 1 minus 3, and 1 minus 3 is how much? It is minus 2. So minus 2 by 2, it is equal to minus 1. It means the common difference is how much? It is minus 1. Clear, students? So you can also subtract the second term from the third term, or you can subtract third from the fourth. It's your choice, because the common difference should be same. So this is the first term A 3 by 2 and the common difference D is minus 1. So now see the next example number second. Which of the following list of numbers does form an AP? Does form an AP? मतलब जो आपको सीरीज गिवन है इनमें से कौन सी सीरीज AP बनाएगी? Does form an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. If they form an AP, you can write the next two terms. Clear? So to check that this series is in AP or not, you have to find the common difference. It means if the common difference should be same, then the given series is in AP. Clear? आप क्या करोगे? इन सभी का common difference find करोगे. अगर common difference की numerical value same आ रही है, so that's why the series given in AP. Clear? So see here the first term is 4. In this series the first term is 4, second is 10, third term is 16, fourth term is 22 and so on. So first you will find the common difference. So you subtract A2 minus A1, then you will find A3 minus A2. It means you will subtract second from the third one, and then you will subtract A4 minus A3. ठीक है, आप पहले सेकंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस करोगे, देन थर्ड फ्रॉम सेकंड, देन थर्ड फोर्थ में से थर्ड. अगर कॉमन डिफरेंस की वैल्यू सेम आ रही है, तो द वैल्यू ऑफ कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम, इट मींस द सीरीज इज AP. Alright, if the series given is in AP, then you will find the next for the two terms. So see here, second term is here 10 and the first term is 4. So write here 10 minus 4. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. Now the third term is 16 here and the second term is 10. Now 16 minus 10 is again 6. The fourth term is 22 and the third term is 16 here. Now 22 minus 16 is again 6. Now see here, the first value of D is 6, second is also 6, third one is also 6. It means the common difference is same. So that's why the given series is in AP. Now you will find the next further two terms. So next term is, it means you will find A5 and A6. Because in this series, the first four terms are given already. So you will find the next fifth and sixth term. So how can you find fifth term? You will add this common difference to its preceding term. And preceding term is what? 22 here. So you will add this 6 with 22. ठीक है? आप next term कैसे find करोगे? जो last term हमें given है, fourth one. You will add this common difference. अब वहाँ पर जो common difference आया आपके पास, उस number को इस फोर्थ टर्म में ऐड करोगे, यू विल गेट दी फिफ्थ टर्म. Clear? So see here, the last fourth term is which one? 22. Now the common difference is 6. So 22 plus 6, it is 28. It means the next fifth term is 28. Now we will find the one more term. So how can you find sixth term? It means you will add again this common difference to its preceding term, that is fifth term. So the fifth term is 28. Now 20 plus 6 is how much? 34. It means the next two terms are which one? 28 and 34. So this is your answer of the first part. Now the second one. The first in this series, the first term is 1, second term is -1, third term is -3, fourth term is -5. So again, the first four terms are given in this series. You will check their common difference. So D is -1, -1. Here, आप second term में से first term को minus करोगे. So second term में से -1 minus first term is only 1. Clear? Then subtract second from the third one, and then third term from the fourth term. So the third term is here -3, and second term is here -1. Fourth term is -5, and the third term is -3. So in this way you can solve the common difference. So see here, -1, -1, it is -2. Clear? It is -2. Next is -3. So when you open this bracket, so minus minus is plus, so it means it is -3 plus 1. So -3 plus 1 is again -2. Next is again open the brackets first, minus minus plus, so it means it is +3, and it is -5 plus 3, it is again -2. So see here, -2, -2, -2. It means again common difference should be same. So it means this given series is in AP. So now again we will find the next two terms. So again the first four terms are given already here. So we will find the fifth and sixth term. So fifth term is what? You will add this common difference into its preceding terms. So the preceding terms means fourth term is there -5. So -5 plus common difference is -2. ठीक है? आपने अगर जो फोर्थ टर्म की वैल्यू है उसमें आपने कॉमन डिफरेंस को ऐड करना है, ऐड. सो सी हियर आप यहाँ पर प्लस लिखोगे, ठीक है? और जो कॉमन डिफरेंस की वैल्यू दैट इज -2. सो ब्रैकेट्स में पुट करके इसको -2 लिखोगे. सो नाउ सॉल्व दिस. फर्स्ट ओपन द ब्रैकेट्स. सो प्लस माइनस इज -2. इट इज -5 -2. इट इज -7. इट मींस द फिफ्थ टर्म इज -7. सो नाउ फाइंड द corresponding sixth term. So sixth term is this one, fifth term plus common difference. Common difference is -2. ठीक है? Sixth term कैसे फाइंड करोगे? You will add again common difference to its preceding term. It means you will add in fifth term. So open the brackets first. Plus minus minus. It means it is -2. Now this -7 -2 is -9. So these are the next two terms of this AP series. Clear? So next third part again. The series is given here. The first term is -2, second is 2, third one is -2, again 2, फिर -2 and so on. So find their common difference. So put their brackets first. Alright. So second term is here 2. First term is -2. Third term is -2. Second term is 2. Fourth term is 2. Third term is -2. Fifth term is -2. Fourth term is 2. Alright, now solving this. So see the first one. Open the brackets here first. Minus minus is plus. So 2 plus 2, it is 2. Now next is -2 minus 2. It is -4. So you can clearly observe here that the difference of first is 4 and second difference is -4. So 4 and -4, it should be same? No. So that's why this given series is not in AP. ठीक है? आपको क्लियरली पता है जब आप सेकंड टर्म में से फर्स्ट टर्म को माइनस कर रहे हो, सो दैट्स वैल्यू इज 4, और जब थर्ड में से सेकंड को माइनस कर रहे हो उसकी वैल्यू आ रही है -4. सो 4 and -4 are not equal, so that's why it is not in AP. You can also check the next terms. Minus minus again plus, 2 plus 2 is 4. This one is -2 -2 is -2. So no, it is not in It is not in A. Clear, students? So see the last fourth part of this example second. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3 and so on. So see here difference. We will find the first four difference only. Clear? So see here, second term is here 1. First term is also 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Next third term is 1. Second term is 1. So 1 minus 1 is again how much? 0. Now next fourth term is here 2. And third term is here 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So see here clearly. The first two difference is 0 and the third one is 1. It means 0 and 1 are not equal. So that's why again this series is not in AP. See the fourth one. 2 minus 2. It is 0. So no. It is not in AP. Clear, students? So this is your example 1 and example 2. Thank you.